job is far from over.
However, from that, Betty Chemutai Minor, CS nominee for appointment to the position of CS Industrialization, Trade and Enterprise Development, is currently being vetted by the National Assembly Committee on Appointments. Her vetting comes back to back after former Nyeri County Senator Mutahi Kagwe was vetted for the position of CS Health. The two nominees approved by the House will be in charge of running two key pillars of President Uhuru Kenyatta's legacy in his final term: universal healthcare and manufacturing, respectively. Well, let's take you live to Parliament now and listen in to those live proceedings.
Entertained them at the ministry when they have come together. So this is, we listen often and frequently as we develop policies to all these, with all these different groups. Honorable Sankok, yes, I appreciate the comment that you've made, and out of the top of my head, and that's something we can probably we can continue to work together on, is that we need to work on ensuring that we recognize the needs of disabled people as we set up markets, whether it's different or whether it's setting up different locations where they can be part of. I have visited other countries where in a market there's actually a section where differently abled people have their stand. So maybe something that we can continue to work on and control, but at least we recognize it. I think in our design of facilities we also need to pay attention. So I promise you that it's something I'd like to continue to engage with you on. Honorable Chepkut, the revival of FLOSPA, what would you like us to do? Okay, then I guess there must be a mechanism for revival of agencies, just the way it has been done with Rivertex, and obviously the necessary analysis must be done and the business case made for it. And that's something that we can continue to engage on. Thank you. Is there something I missed?
So you talked about, and I think it has been, maybe about cheap fertilizer.
No,
Subsidized fertilizer for cotton growers. Maybe, but she has been nominated to Industry, Trade and Enterprise Development. Seeds and agriculture. But she obviously, as by way of facilitation, the ministry would collaborate at another level. Yeah.
Chair, the issue of edible oils.
Edible oils.
okay, you know, I think...
1 minute, please. Yeah.
1 minute on that. I think the issue of edible oils has gone on for a while. I think the big issue was that it needed to meet the standards and the expectation that has been set by the Ministry of Public Health with regard to vitamin A. Yes. So, and it's important that all imported products meet those requirements.
Oh, yeah. Excuse me, but obviously when you give a down mark from the port of manufacturing, that is supposed to be cleared without inspection. How do you give a down mark and then come and tell them that they cannot?